I am so upset that I have to do this video for you today because just last week I told you that the public charge rule was suspended and now the courts did a 180 and they put it right back in place. What is going on? I'm going to talk about it in this video. And also don't forget to watch the entire video to not miss the opportunity to win a prize if you could be the first person to name the U.S. immigrant from my Fun Fact Challenge. Hi, and thank you for joining me to talk about immigration. My name is Andrea Shev, and I'm the managing attorney at Shev Law Group in Los Angeles, California. I've been doing immigration for almost 20 years now, and I put together all these videos for you to give you tons of information that's concise, easy to understand, and straightforward so you're successful in whatever avenue you're trying to take in the immigration world. If you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video that comes out. I do them at least weekly, if not sometimes more, because there's so much going on in immigration these days. I can't stop doing videos. Okay, let's just get into it. What is going on? Just a week ago, I did a video for you celebrating that the public charge rule was suspended due to COVID-19. And now a week later, I'm doing a video saying that it's back again. Are you kidding me? Well, the courts did a complete 180 on us and basically said that that injunction, that stop on the public charge rule, was only to be applied to 3 states, New York, Connecticut, and Vermont. And that was it. So the rest of the country, you still have to deal with the public charge rule. What is that? I mean, this is ridiculous. It's just all the attorneys around me and all of us, our heads are spinning with this, that you do one thing and then you do the other. What's even worse is, as of today, the USCIS website still has those instructions that say that you don't have to fill out those parts of the forms on the I-129, the I-539, the I-944, which is the form that you have to fill out with your adjustment of status, is not even up yet again. So what is happening? Is it happening or is it not happening? Well, my advice to you as an attorney is that you need to be very cautious right now, because still on the USCIS.gov website, as I'm doing this video right now, it still says that if you file any application, either an adjustment of status for a green card or a change of status under a 539 or a work visa under an I-129, you do not have to fill out the portion of the form that has to do with the public charge rule. What does that mean though? Because according to the courts, just a few days ago, it said that you have to now start doing it unless you're in one of those 3 states. So we're in this kind of limbo period that I need you all to be very, very cautious of. Now, some of you out there are thinking, oh my gosh, as soon as I saw your last video, I ran out and I filed my I-45 because I didn't want to have to be subject to the public charge rule. Well, I'm going to tell you this. Stay calm. Make sure you keep handy that paper from, printed out from USCIS.gov that says that you did not have to file that part of the form, and keep it as reference in case they come back. Because in that window between when the district court said it's suspended and when the circuit court said it was only suspended for those 3 states, you were legally able to do it. You were legally able to file without filling those portions of the form dealing with the public charge rule. Now that the circuit court has come out and said it's only limited to those 3 states, we're kind of stuck because USCIS hasn't given us any guidance on what we should do. The circuit court says that the rest of the country, except those 3 states, are still subject to the public charge rule. What do? Hold off filing until we have clarity from USCIS of what we have to do moving forward based on what the circuit court said. Now remember that it's still a chance that they could either do another injunction and temporarily stop it, or the people that are going after, the organizations that are going after the government to actually eliminate this public charge rule could win. So it's not that all hopes are gone that the public charge rule is going to be eliminated. It's just this was kind of like this bright window that opened that allowed us, at least during this very difficult time during COVID, to not have to deal with the public charge rule, along with all the hassle and all the stress that goes along with that. But that was taken away from us, according to the circuit court this past week. But the idea that it's going to go away completely is still out there if the case is won. If it is not won, then the public charge rule will stand. But in the meantime, like I said, I need you to be very cautious of what you're filing, when you're filing it, and how you're filing it until we get very clear guidance again from USCIS of what we need to actually file when we're doing these particular forms. I will try very hard to keep the description below this video up to date in case anything breaks in the next week or so before I can get an actual formal video out to all of you. So if you want to check back once in a while to this actual video and look down in the description to see if there's been any changes or modifications to what's going on with the law, I'd be happy to make sure to keep that updated in the interim between this video and if I have to do another video because of the changes that might occur in the next few days. Okay, it's time for the Fun Fact Challenge. I'm going to give you a fun fact about a U.S. immigrant, and the first person to guess who it is and put in the comments below is going to be the winner and win a prize. Now, I'm going to announce the answer to the Fun Fact Challenge and also announce who won it on the next video. So make sure you stay tuned. And don't forget to maybe hit that notification bell if you haven't already so you know exactly when that video is going to come out. Good luck! Okay, this U.S. immigrant was born in Austria and had a very successful career as an actor and also made their way into politics. Who is it? Can you guess? Don't forget to put the name below as fast as you can so you can win the prize. I hope this video was informational and gave you a lot of good insight into what's going on with the public charge rule today. If you liked the video, don't forget to thumb it up, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time a video comes out. Have a great morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and thank you for joining me and look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe out there.